Hello, I'm Sydney with Mothering Mother. I want to speak on the how-to series that we're putting together for you to help you make the shift in your life from eating the foods that you're having now to something that's more natural, to help you become more comfortable with ingredients that you may not have seen before and worked with before. As a trained cook, I thought that I was really prepared when I shifted my diet to one that was much more natural. What I'm giving you in these videos is that experience as a trained cook on the techniques that are helpful. What I'm also giving you is the experiences and the knowledge that I've gained over the years of how to cook grains, legumes, how to put meals together, and with time on how to bring joy into the work that I was doing and creating wonderful food for friends and family. We hope that this series brings that to you and to your life.